information to our citizens. How are they going to use it? Are they going to make informed decisions that will better their lives? Are they going to make decisions to do with land, their titles, to do with the health of their children, the education of their children, or generally, the individual and collective rights? That information will be available, and we hope that it will be useful to them. Finally, as the government opens up, allowing room for scrutiny by the public, this then provides adequate checks and balances, increasing transparency and accountability. More than ever before, the government is held to account for any actions that is deemed in the interest of the Kenyan citizens. I dare say, in terms of opening up, those of you who have seen the drama of judges being interviewed from the Supreme Court, etc., and is televised live, those of you who have seen the drama of government appointments being turned down because they are not constitutional right, those of you who have seen government officials being asked to account for the money they have because they have not paid tax on it, and questions being asked, I think, ladies and gentlemen, we are heading in the right direction.